Stop overthinking hardware. This GitHub project has just got 1.9k stars for making hardware easy as sending a text. It supports over 30 chips and over 200 modules and counting. Works with Arduino, ESP32, STM32, Raspberry Pi Pico, you name it. The best part? The AI engine does the heavy lifting. Just describe your hardware idea in the dialog box, and the AI outputs the entire stack, components, schematics, and even the logic. It even creates the wiring diagrams. Just follow the map, flash the AI-generated firmware, and your project is live. Hardware dev has never been this fast, easy, or painless. Hit a bug, just tell the AI what's wrong. It's auto-fixed instantly, no more hours of manual debugging. Keep vibe coding, just talk to the AI until everything works perfectly. Forget C++ or engineering degree. You can now building at a pro level even with zero experience. Join the revolution. Creativity is now all you need to bring hardware to life. Ready to build something cool? Find endless inspiration in the Project Plaza. Or upload the projects you're most proud of to inspire the community. You're invited. It's open source and evolving fast. Like and follow us to stay tuned.